Congratulations, Dr. Jemison. We celebrate you. We honor you for your unparalleled work. Thank you so much. Beautiful remarks. And good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Whitney Snider. I'm a Vice President of Science and Technology at Alexandria Real Estate Equities and Alexandria Venture Investments. I'm very grateful to be here this evening on behalf of Joel Marcus, Executive Chairman and Founder of Alexandria. It's an incredible honor to continue Alexandria's long-term support as the Prix Galien Platinum Founding Partner as we celebrate the Prix Galien's 53rd year. Today, we had the privilege of convening an esteemed group at the Alexandria Center for Life Science here in New York City for the Galien Forum, which many of you attended earlier today. It was a day of critical, paradigm-shifting panel conversations, and we look forward to this evening here at the Natural History Museum, celebrating the great contributions and accomplishments of the life science industry. A sincere thank you to Bruno Cohen and your team for your leadership and commitment to the life science industry. Thank you to the Prix Galien Awards Committee and Galien Forum co-chairs, Dr. Sue Desmond-Hellman and Dr. Michael Rosenblatt, for your tireless work to recognize and honor impactful innovation that benefits patients worldwide. Our congratulations to the laureates, nominees, and participants, and a special thank you to Dr. Roy Bagelos for your legacy, vision, industry leadership, and inspiration to innovate and impact disease. Alexandria began as a garage startup in 1994 when we saw the remarkable potential of the life science industry and pioneered the life science real estate niche to meet the unique needs of one of this country's most mission-critical industries. Today, Alexandria is the leading and longest tenured owner, operator, and developer focused on collaborative life science mega campuses in the nation's top innovation clusters, including here in New York City, Greater Boston, San Francisco, San Diego, Seattle, Research Triangle, and Maryland. We are honored to be at the vanguard and the heart of the life science ecosystem, where we are the trusted partner to over 800 tenants contributing to the significant betterment of human health in society. We are also extremely proud that of the over 450 new FDA drug approvals in the past decade, half were developed by Alexandria tenants. Alexandria's differentiated and multifaceted business has long been about more than just real estate. Our mission to create and grow life science ecosystems and clusters that ignite and accelerate the world's leading innovators in their noble pursuit to advance human health by curing disease and improving nutrition drives everything we do and has shaped this pioneering business. As such, Alexandria is steadfast in our commitment to advancing the $5 trillion secularly growing life science industry by developing and operating collaborative mega campuses that support the essential work of this industry, by making strategic venture investments in the most promising early stage companies, by curating thought leadership programs to help promote dialogue, to stimulate innovation, and to drive the industry forward, and by developing and implementing impactful solutions to some of the most pressing societal challenges facing our nation to contribute to a healthier, more sustainable, and more productive society. Our commitment to the growth of the life science industry in New York really brings to life our bold mission. Alexandria has been the pioneer in catalyzing and growing the New York City life science ecosystem since we opened the Alexandria Center for Life Science, the city's first and only commercial life science campus, in 2010. In parallel, Alexandria Venture Investments has been highly integral in accelerating local scientific and biomedical innovation in New York City's #1 and biomedical innovation as New York City's #1 most active early stage life science investor. The Alexandria Center was purpose-built to create a vibrant ecosystem to attract top-tier talent and bring together high-quality life science companies to translate scientific discoveries into new treatments and cures for patients. Today, this flagship campus is home to over 50 cutting-edge entities, and the campus is central to life science innovation, thought leadership, and the convening of top talent here in New York City. Alexandria is deeply committed to participating in endeavors that aim to better manage and cure disease and to reduce the economic burden of disease on society. We are working to make a distinctive and decisive impact through our social responsibility pillars, which include accelerating medical innovation, combating hunger and improving nutrition, supporting our military, building principal leaders through education, and prioritizing the pervasive mental health and addiction crises. And this morning, during the Galien Forum, Alexandria's Executive Chairman and Founder, Joel Marcus, and Alexandria's Chief of Science, Dr. Lynn Zajdowski, led a critical conversation on the national imperative to combat mental illness and addiction in America. The panel featured exceptional individuals and change makers who continue to drive significant reform. The discussion explored critical issues, strategies, and policies aimed at reshaping the perception and treatment of mental illness and addiction to improve patient outcomes and the quality of life for all, with a focus on military personnel and veterans who experience mental health and addiction concerns at dramatically higher rates. In 2017, the opioid epidemic drove Alexandria to pioneer 115 in Dayton, Ohio, a city with one of the highest per capita overdose death rates in the nation that year. We designed and developed a state-of-the-art campus with a full continuum of care, including crisis stabilization, residential housing, and job placement. Since it opened its doors 4 years ago, 115 has treated over 6,000 patients. Today, we call for increased attention and policy action at the federal, state, and local levels to support systemic change that can more boldly address the unprecedented mental health and addiction crises. And to close, the life science industry remains one of the most critical and renowned aspects of our society. The industry has demonstrated it can create positive change for our current population and generations to come. And we honor you all tonight for the life-changing work you do day in and day out to improve the lives of patients around the world. Thank you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in the Whale Room for the announcement of the Prix Galien USA 2023 laureates.